Stella to Putti Road, you can see the Buddhist pillar. It is the landmark in Hua
When you come to this square, you can see that there is a high pillar. We're starting in this square. This pillar is so-called Asoka pillar.
When you look up at this pillar, there have 4 lions standing on the top of the pillar.
This piece is the most did you found than other piece in Haofan.
This pillar looks like the facility in a museum park.
Starting from this place, whenever it's daylight or it's evening, you will see a beautiful and peaceful landscape.
In here, it is good place to everyone to meditation and hold down activities with your friends.